Here we have a 2019 19-plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 3.2. Now with this vehicle you get 4 superb unscratched unmarked Riviera alloy wheels in 20-inch. Now they are all wrapped in all-terrain off-road tyres. We have the lower bash bar, the Raptor style front grille, we also have the bonnet bar, and also you can see the carbon fibre style bonnet vent. Now we have the wide arch kit fitted to this vehicle, very subtle, it looks very cool indeed, it makes this car stand out. We have the side steps on either side, WILDTRAK decals on both front doors. We have the Team Hecker window deflectors, black window trim and also privacy glass on the rear. We also have the roof bars on the front and we also have the truckman cab on the rear. Now you have your rear parking sensors, your rear reversing camera, tow bar just down there as well. Open up the rear cab, you can see just in there, nice spacious size boot in there. You also have the rear tailgate, which is also strutted down, so it comes down very smoothly. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle, especially the black styling with the black wheels, the wide arch kit, and also all the other features added to this vehicle. Going to the back, you can see we do have the half leather and half fabric seats throughout with the ISOFIX points, pull down armrest. You also have a 12-volt connectivity in the centre. Electric windows on the doors. Going to the front seat, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Again, it is the half leather and half suede, electrically adjustable. Both front seats are also heated. WILDTRAK just stitched in there as well. Electric windows, carbon fibre trim, auto lights just down there as well. You have your power folding wing mirrors. So jumping in the car, foot on the brake, and then turn the key. The vehicle will then start up. We have your multifunction steering wheel with your cruise control and speed limiter on the right hand side. As you can see, the vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard and has covered just over 44,120 miles. You have your screens on the left and on your right, where you can find your, on the left hand side, your entertainment. You also have your navigation and phone. Then on the right hand side you have all your different bits of driving information. Screen in the centre where you can find your satellite navigation, so click on that one. You have that. You have your audio connectivity, so you do have your DAB radio. Go on to sources, you have AM, FM, DAB, CD and Bluetooth audio. You have your climate control up here as well as down here. We can also turn the heated seats on. You have your Bluetooth phone connectivity, back to navigation, mobile apps, and when you go into settings, scroll across, you can find Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Keep going, you have your ambient lighting, so you do have 7 colours to choose from. I like to keep it in ice blue. Pop the car into reverse, you can see rear reversing camera and your rear sensors. Coming down here, again, your dual zone climate control, 2 heated front seats, which work exactly how you would expect it to. You also have your heated windscreen just there, so for those cold winter mornings when it is fully defrosted over, click that button and within minutes the whole windscreen will be defrosted. 2 12-volt connectivities, 2 USB, you have storage down there, traction shot on and off, downliner centre assist, 2-wheel drive height, 4-wheel drive height and also 4-wheel drive low. So if you low range gearbox, it is a very capable off-road, especially with those all-terrain off-road tyres. 2 nice size cup holders, a soft touch leather armrest with storage underneath, and there's a look at the passenger's front seat. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free continental nationwide next day delivery. This HBI clear comes with fresh service and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 3.2. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. As you can see, I'm not inspired with steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, it's good, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. We have a multifunction steering wheel with your cruise control and speed limiter on the right hand side. Now to activate, simply press the top left button, then press set plus and minus to find your selected speed and go up and down. Now to cancel the cruise control, simply press cancel on the steering wheel or touch the brake and it will then cancel. Now I do have a digital dash in front of me, so you have your analogue speedometer in the centre. On the right and the left hand side you have 2 different screens. One on the left hand side is for your entertainment, navigation and phone, and the one on the right hand side is for all your driving information such as your fuel and also your revs and also your mileage. We have very comfortable half leather and half fabric seats throughout this vehicle, which are both front, well the 2 front seats are heated, so for those cold winter mornings it really does make all the difference. It heats up very quickly. Another one for those cold winter mornings is the heated front windscreen. So if your windscreen is all frosted over, click that button and within a couple of minutes the whole windscreen will be defrosted, so you can put your wipers on and Bob's your uncle. We have your screen in the centre where you can see satellite navigation. You have your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth phone connectivity, DAB radio, you also have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You do get your rear sensors and also your rear reversing camera there as well. Now it is a very comfortable vehicle to drive, being an off-road vehicle. You do get your 4-wheel drive, you get your high and low gearbox, you also have your all-terrain tyres on this vehicle as well, so it is a very capable off-road vehicle. Dual zone climate control with your ice cold aircon, and again 2 heated front seats. You can also push the car into manual mode by pushing your stick to the right hand side. Coming onto the industrial set, going to take a right, I'm going to perform a major stop, pop straight into reverse, just show that the brakes work exactly how you'd expect them to, and you see pop up on the centre screen with the rear camera. So just waiting for traffic to pass now, and I'll do an emergency stop, and I'll do a countdown from 3 when doing the emergency stop. Someone just let me out, thank you very much. Pulling in now, and I'll do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. You can see the camera just there on the centre. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you want to answer all of your questions on the car, join this test drive and walk around video. Please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer questions and also review some cars with you. But that's it for me. It is walk around video, bit of test drive here. See you from you soon. Cheers.